Hey my beautiful ladies, here is a glowing festival look you need to try. And the best part, I created it using super affordable Lakme Vitamin C range, all available on Amazon with up to 80% off. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm Muskaan Choudhary and I love sharing affordable fashion, styling tips and budget-friendly beauty finds to help you look fab without spending a fortune. If you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so whenever I post a video, you can get a notification. Let's start with the Lakme Vitamin C Primer. This one soothes out your skin, minimizes pores and gives the perfect base for long-lasting makeup. It's enriched with vitamin C and niacinamide, which means it helps brighten your skin while keeping it prepped. And you won't believe the price, just 236 rupees, and you can grab it on Amazon. Link is in the description. Next, I'm applying a lip balm to keep my lips soft and moisturized, then going in with a peach color corrector just to cancel out those dark circles and dullness. For my base, I'm using the Lakme Vitamin C Skin Tint in the shade of Warm Sand. It's lightweight, blends beautifully into the skin and gives a natural radiant coverage that's perfect for daytime or evening events. And it has skin benefits too. All of that for just Rs 303. And if you want to see, I already uploaded a skin tint specific video. You can check the link in the I button. Now I'm brightening the under eye area and high points of my face with the Lakme Vitamin C Concealer in the shade Ivory. Blending it out well is the key for that seamless festival finish, and the best part, again the price is just Rs 240. To lock everything in, I'm using the Lakme Vitamin C Superglow Makeup Fixer. It refreshes your skin, sets your base and keeps your makeup glowing and intact for hours. And again, it's just for Rs 241. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm going for something soft but glam with a bit of shimmer and a defined wing. Filling your brows is must. It frames your face and adds so much structure to it. Now I'm setting everything with Lakme Vitamin C Compact. It gives a medium natural finish, smooths out your skin and even has skincare benefits. And it's only Rs 185. Can you believe that? Again, Amazon is the place to go if you want to stock up without breaking the bank. Just finishing it off with a bit of contour for structure, blush to add a festive flush, highlighter for that glow and a lipstick to pull the whole look together. Can you see that natural glow on my face? And here is the final look, glowy, festive and so easy to recreate. Whether it's a wedding, puja or a party, this look will never fail you. All products I use are linked in the description, and the best part, they are super affordable thanks to ongoing Amazon discount up to 80% off. So this is all about today's video. You can check the link in the description box, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your friends and family. And I'm Muskaan Choudhary signing off for today, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.